welcome back to my channel. It's Tony Ariana. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY vanity desk that I did for all under $100. If you guys want to know how to do it yourselves too, make sure you stay tuned. Alright guys, so the first thing you'll need for your vanity desk are 2 PVC towel edging L-shaped channels, flat head screws, and then you'll need a leveler just a reference for the center, standard wire connectors, a screwdriver or a drill, 2 Westinghouse 4 light bath bars, both 24 inches. So then you're going to want to take your PVC towel edging and you're going to mark exactly where you would like to cut it. And then off of camera, I took the PVC towel edging and put one right underneath, and I used my drill and I drilled it right in. And then you're going to want to do the same thing to the top. I would advise you have someone hold the mirror so that they hold the mirror, and while the PVC towel edging holds it up, you want to screw it in. And then after you screw it in, you're going to want to slide the mirror right in place. And then you're going to use your leveler just to make sure that it's centered. Now we're going to move on to the Westinghouse 4 light bath bar. So you're going to want to unscrew the tops. After you unscrew the tops, you're going to want to take the white part off. And then that's when you're going to use the extension cord and you're going to cut it. And then you're going to cut right in between the extension cord. Then you're going to use your hands and pull it right apart. And then you're going to want to use scissors or whatever you can use, and you're gonna take off the white part, just the tip of it, and you're gonna want to make sure that you don't cut through to the wires. Then you're gonna want to make sure that you pair the smooth side with the black side and the kind of rigged side with the white side of the wiring. And then you're gonna take the smooth side and put it with the black side, and you're gonna twist the wires. And then you're going to take the rigged side and you're going to put the wires right in between each other, and then you're going to twist it until you can't twist anymore. Then you're going to want to take your standard wire connectors and screw them right on top of the wires, and you screw them counterclockwise, and you screw them until you can't screw anymore. And you want to make sure that you screw them really tight just to make sure that it's safe. And then you're going to take the back part of the light bath bar and you're going to screw in the top, and then you're going to screw the bottom as well. You're going to place the white piece right back on top, and then you're going to put the knobs right back on, and that's going to keep it in place. Now you're going to get your Philips 60-watt lights and you're going to screw them right in place, and then you're going to do the same thing to the other side. And that's the finished product. Hey guys, so I hope you guys found this video very useful. If you have any questions or comments, please comment them down below. And then also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos. See you soon.